Hello everyone! Our grammar lesson today is about adjectives that compare. You will be preparing your grammar booklet, so you'll be able to solve the pages after we're done. Okay, let's start. What's the meaning of adjectives that compare? Let's see. Okay, you can use adjectives to compare people, places, or things. We can add er to an adjective to compare two nouns. Only two nouns. When we see two nouns that we are comparing together, we add er only. Okay, for example, our team is larger than their team. I'm comparing our team to their team. So there are only two things that I'm comparing. And I'm giving you the information that our team is larger than their team. So that's why we added er to large. Large is the adjective and we added er. Okay, the second one. My pack bag is smaller than yours. I'm comparing my pack bag to yours. I'm just giving you the information that my backpack is smaller than yours. So I'm comparing only two nouns. That's why I added er to small. Okay. Now, we can add est to an adjective to compare more than two nouns. Let's see. James wants to climb the tallest mountain. Okay, there are more than one mountain. There are lots of mountain, and I want to tell you that James wants to climb the tallest one. The tallest. That's why I added est. It's not correct to say James wants to climb the taller mountain. Taller than what? We have to compare two things with er. But here, in this example, we added est, so that I can tell you that it's more than one mountain. Let's see the other example. Mom carried the heaviest pot. So mom has lots of pots, but this one is the heaviest pot. That's why I add est to heavy and I added est to tall because we're comparing more than one noun. Okay, let's practice together to see if we get it or not. My first drawing was nicer or nicest than the second one. So am I comparing two things or more than two things? Let's see. First drawing, second one. So second drawing. Correct. They're two. They're only two. So I'm going to choose nicer or nicest. Remember what we said? Exactly. Nicer. Excellent. Nicer than the second one. Number two. Our teacher let us use the bigger or the biggest table in the room. C. How am I comparing two tables or more than one table? Let's see. Table in the room. Let us use the bigger or the biggest. Of course it's the biggest table because I'm comparing more than one table in the room. Number three, the blue fish is smaller or smallest than the yellow fish. I have two kinds of fish, blue and yellow. So there are only two. So it's the smaller than the yellow fish. Excellent, excellent guys. Okay, this is all for today. Bye-bye now.